I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Click on Create Integration. Search for Happyform. Select a form. Click on Next. Search and select an action Autonomy. Connect to Autonomy. Autonomy connected successfully. Next. Choose a list. Choose a tag. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the Autonomy dashboard. Navigate to the contacts. You can see here that the data was successfully received in Autonomy. Thanks for watching.